Picture a revolutionary system that transforms slab milling into a smoother, quicker, and more accurate process while keeping your hands completely away from the router. And those tricky corners that have been frustrating you? Envision a device that effortlessly produces rounded or chamfered edges with flawless precision. But that's only the start. Keep watching as we dive into all 10 of the most impressive Woodpecker's tools ready to elevate your craftsmanship to new heights. Let's talk about something that'll give you even more control for those larger woodworking projects, the Woodpecker's Precision Triangles. These 12 and 18-inch triangles take the ease of a carpenter square and add the precision you need for fine furniture and cabinetry. They're designed to give you that perfect reference point, whether you're marking cuts or checking for square. The base acts as a shoulder for your workpiece edge, and it even serves as a foot when you're working with vertical assemblies. Plus, if you need it perfectly flat for setup, the base comes off in seconds, letting you focus on the task at hand. With machining accuracy that's tighter than the thickness of a human hair, these triangles give you that extra boost in confidence, whether you choose the inch or metric version. If you're looking to step up your precision game, these are definitely worth considering. If you've ever worked with oversized slabs, you know how challenging it can be to get a perfectly flat surface, especially as the size increases. That's where the Woodpecker's Easy Drive system steps in. Designed for the slab flattening mill pro, this system gives you complete control of your router without ever needing to lean over the slab or touch the router itself. With this, you're using two simple crank handles to move your router smoothly across the slab. The cogged belts along the rails ensure everything feeds perfectly, and a synchronized belt system drives the router carriage across the surface, making it super easy to get precise results. The best part? You can upgrade any existing Woodpecker slab flattening mill with this system, so you don't have to worry about replacing your entire setup. This tool makes slab milling faster, more consistent, and less physically demanding, so you can focus on the quality of your work rather than the effort it takes to get there. If you've ever found yourself needing just a quick cut, whether it's trimming a dowel, finishing a bird's mouth cut, or squaring up drilled corners, the Woodpecker's Jigsaw blade handle is a simple, portable solution you can keep right in your apron or tool belt. This handle grips any standard jigsaw blade and gives you total control for those times when you don't want to deal with power tools. It's lightweight and ergonomic, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Whether you're trimming a dowel or finishing off a small slot, it's a tool that's always ready when you need it. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and precision milled for a perfect fit, the Jigsaw blade handle is finished in Woodpecker Signature Red and comes with a high-quality jigsaw blade. It's a must-have for any woodworker looking to save time and effort on quick cuts. Tired of rummaging through your shop for the right-sized jar lid to trace out rounded corners? Let's make life easier with the Woodpecker's Corner Jig. It's designed to make perfect rounded or chamfered corners, whether you're working with a handheld router or on your router table. The Corner Jig features a large machined aluminum base with square reference blocks, ensuring everything stays accurate. With 22 templates to choose from, including 16 radius templates and 6 chamfer profiles, you're covered for just about any corner job. New for this version are 4 large radius templates, plus a handy wall-mountable rack to keep everything in plain sight and ready for action. It's simple to use too. Just attach your desired template to the base plate, and you're ready to route smooth, precise corners faster and more accurately than with other tools. If you've ever struggled with getting machinery set up at obtuse angles, you know how much of a hassle it can be. But with the PolyGauge SS, you can eliminate that frustration. This tool features 5 of the most commonly used polygon angles, laser cut from high-quality stainless steel for precision you can feel. It's designed to give you an exact physical reference so you get those settings right the first time, every time. What's even better is the added magnetic knob, which raises the gauge above poorly fitting inserts and keeps it upright on your table saw for easy access. The PolyGauge is accurate to within 0.085 degrees, and after it's laser engraved and inspected, it's ready to help you tackle angles with confidence. No more squinting at fine graduations or adjusting settings over and over again. With this tool, you can take on complex angled projects you'd avoided before, making those tricky setups a thing of the past. If you've ever struggled with getting your fence or blade perfectly aligned, the Woodpecker's Simple Set Fence Gauge might just be the tool you need. It's a simple solution, but it makes a huge difference in your cuts. This gauge gives you a physical reference point, making repetitive cuts and fence alignment feel effortless. It's built to save you time and ensure precision, whether you're working on a miter slot or adjusting your rip fence. What I really like about it is how easy it is to use. There's no guessing, no fiddling with measurements, just set it and you're ready to go. And the build quality, it's top-notch. Every part is carefully machined, from the CNC milled aluminum body to the brass tips. Whether you're a pro or just getting started, the Simple Set Fence Gauge helps make your cuts cleaner, more accurate, and more efficient. It was easy to get things aligned with the Simple Set Fence Gauge. If you're looking for piston fit accuracy on larger woodworking projects, the Woodpecker's Big Cow woodworking calipers are exactly what you need. Most standard calipers max out at just 6 inches, but Big Cow is designed to bring that machinist-level precision to furniture-size projects. Available in 12 and 24-inch sizes, these calipers let you measure with accuracy you'd expect from metalwork tools, but tailored for woodworking. The fixed and adjustable jaws are precision milled from aircraft-grade aluminum, ensuring perfect alignment for inside and outside measurements. What I really like is how easy it is to transfer dimensions without needing to look at the scale. The alignment is spot on. The dual-function nut holds everything steady and squares the jaw to the blade, so you're always getting a secure grip and accurate readings. Whether you're working with large furniture pieces or intricate details, the Big Cow gives you that machinist-style precision in a size that works for your projects. If you're working with Festool MTF tables, you know how important it is to keep everything aligned for those big projects. And this MTF Assembly Square is designed to make setting up your table and keeping everything squared up easier than ever. This square is perfect for ensuring perpendicularity between your MTF fence and guide. And with the added MTF positioning dogs, you can align your rail or fence to the dog holes, whether they're in line or set at a 45-degree angle. The single-piece construction means no parts get misaligned. And those slots do double duty, acting as a convenient handle and making it super easy to clamp your workpieces securely. It's great for keeping large panels in place while dry fitting or during glue-ups, especially for cabinetry and big projects. Plus, it's perfect for setting 90 and 45-degree angles, helping you get those precise cuts every time. For those perfect finishing touches on cutting boards, Woodpecker's Ultra Shear Juice Groom bits bring a new level of professionalism. These bits feature a chamfer that leads into the cove, eliminating the sharp edges that ball nose bits often leave behind. This design softens the groove's look and feel while improving juice flow. With 3 profiles to choose from, 38-inch and half-inch diameter coves, and a 90-degree groove with a 1/4-inch radius at the bottom, you have the flexibility to create the groove depth and appearance that fits your design. The 3-flute design reduces chip load by 50%, so these bits work well in any router, even cordless palm routers. They're also perfect for the shape or origin. A simple internal template paired with our special 1-inch diameter template guide bushing makes it easy to guide your router and add custom angles or arcs to your grooves. If you're into pen turning, you know how important it is to start with a perfectly prepared blank, and the Woodpecker's Pen Mill CI trims your pen blank perfectly perpendicular and flush with the insert tube. No more frustration with uneven cuts or residual burrs. It uses razor-sharp nanograin carbide inserts mounted in a precision-machined milling head, which makes quick work of any pen-turning material, including the world's hardest wood, lignum vitae. And when an edge finally dulls, it's as simple as rotating it to a fresh one. Plus, the cutting head is larger than most on the market, which means you won't be left with that annoying halo after trimming your 3/4-inch square pen blanks. Another nice touch, the fluted reamers clear out any glue residue or burrs from inside the insert tube, ensuring smooth, clean cuts. With 12 popular sizes available, the Pen Mill CI covers nearly every pen kit you'll come across. That's all about the best tools from Woodpeckers for 2025.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.